Hello guys, this is presentation from group 10. First, let me introduce the member. First, my name is Samuel ARITONANG and my friend are Ade Muhammad and FIKRI RAMADIANTO. We will explain about wavelength converter, fiber break grating, XGPON, and FDDI. First, wavelength converter. Wavelength converters offer numerous advantages which will benefit engineers in many future optical applications. SOA wavelength converters employing XGM, XPM, and FWM techniques have been extensively analyzed. First, XGM SOA. The XGM SOA converters is polarization independent. Such amplifier with high fiber-to-fiber gain are now fabricated in many laboratories. Gives an example of measure waveform for input and converted signal at 10 GB per second. As note, the XGM scheme gives a wavelength converter signal that is inverted compared to the input signal. Second, XPM SOA. XPM scheme offer converter signal with a narrow spectrum compared to the XGM scheme. A narrow spectrum for the converter signal is attractive because it allows transmission over long distance. Moreover, the spectral crosstalk is reduced in structures for matched gender. WDM demultiplexer as an example. Structure for matched gender interferometric converters are shown. The SOAs are placed in a symmetric configuration so that phase change in two amplifiers is different.
My name is FIKRI RAMADIANTO. I want to tell you about fiber break grating. A fiber break grating is a type of distributed break reflector constructed in a short segment of optical fiber that reflects particular wavelengths of light and transmit all other. This is achieved by creating a periodic variation in the refractive index of the fiber core, which generates a wavelength specific dielectric mirror. A fiber break grating can therefore be used as an inline optical filter to block certain wavelengths, or as a wavelength specific reflector. Now you can see the picture. First, optical fiber. 2, core refractive index. And then spectral response are input, transmit, and reflected.
Hello guys, my name is Ade Muhammad. I will explain about XGPON. Then GPON, also known as XGPON, is 2010 computer networking standard for data link capable for delivering share internet up to 10 GB per second over rejecting dark fiber. Passive optical network, also known as PON architecture, has become most effective cost way to meet performance demand in access network and sometimes as well as optical local network for fiber to desk. Then PON are used to fiber to home and fiber to premise, last mile with splitter that connect to each central transmitter to many subscriber. The 10 gigabytes, then the 10 gigabytes per second share capacity in downstream speed broadcast in all user connected to the same PON. and the 2.5 gigabit per second upstream speed use multiplexing technique to prevent data frames from interfering with each other. And next is FDDI, also known as Fiber Distributed Data Interference, a set of ANCI protocol for sending digital data over fiber optic cable. FDDI network are token passing network and support data rates up to 100 Mbps or 1 million bits per second. FDDI networks are typically use a backbone for wide area networks. An extension to FDDI, we call it, is FDDI to support the transmission of voice and video information as well as data. Another version of FDDI we call is FDDT, full duplex technology. Use the same network infrastructure, but the difference is with FDDI is the FDDT support data rates up to 200 Mbps. Here the example of cable. This the example of fiber optic emitter cable. That's all. Thank you.